Today I'm going to take you through how to rationalize a fraction with a denominator with surds. So simply speaking, what we're trying to do is we're trying to get rid of the surd as a denominator. We don't want a surd because that's an irrational number. We want to make that a rational number, and we know all surds are irrational. So to do this, all we have to do is we're going to multiply the top and bottom with the denominator. Okay, so right now the denominator is root 2, so multiply that by root 2, and whatever we do to the bottom we do to the top. We're going to end up with a rational denominator. So root 2 times root 2 is just going to give us 2, because root 4 is 2, and at the top we've got 4 root 2, and that's it. For this one we do exactly the same thing. So to rationalize it, we're just going to multiply the top and bottom with the denominator, and at the top we've got 3. Root 5 times root 6 is going to be root 30 all over 6, and there's nothing we can do to simplify root 30, so that's the best that we can do here. At the bottom we do exactly the same thing. I'm going to multiply the bottom over here with root 10 and the top with root 10. At the top we've got 5 root 70, which cannot be simplified, and at the bottom we've got 4 times 100, oh sorry, 4 times 10, my bad, so it's going to be 40 on the bottom. 5 root 70 over 40, and of course we can cancel out 5 and 40. 5 goes into 5 once and into 48 times, so we've got root 70 over 8. And lastly, we do the same thing over here. All we have to do is multiply the bottom with the surd component. So I'm going to multiply the bottom with root 2 and the top with root 2. At the top we've got root 2 times 2, so it's going to be 2 root 2 minus root 2 times root 5, which is going to be root 10. And down here we've got 6 multiplied by root 2 times root 2 is 4, and that's going to leave us with 2 root 2 minus root 10 all over 24. Now some of you might think at this stage, oh, what we're going to do is we're going to cancel down the 2 and the 24. We can't do that, remember, because to be able to cancel down this 2 we have to do it for this term here as well. So this is the best that we can actually do this.